Cool, 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 cool. All right, all right, all right. Mm, okay. Mm, okay. Sorry, it wasn't working. I see. Now it is. Can you guys see it? Or no? Yeah. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's see. So we're working on two projects right now. First one is Photo Prank. Let me just run the app real quick. Hopefully my laptop can take it all. Let's go here. This is one. And I think we better put that one here. Like this. Okay. So what's next? What's next for Photo Prank? Let's see. We have implemented the crew feature. So this is the crew page. And what I wanted to do was um, yeah, we need a real name and a nickname for each one. So how are we going to do that? Let's just ask Claude. I'm going to say, please plan. This is a task. Please plan a repo prompt task. And I want to let me do it like this. Where's this Super Whisper? There you go. Yeah. So currently we have avatars with a nickname. We just made an update that the avatars also have a real name and a backstory. We need to seed the database with their real name and with a backstory. So create a local file with all the avatars' real names and backstories, and then ask me to provide feedback on it. And after that, we can mm, run the migration and put it in a database. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Where did it go? I didn't really capture it. Maybe that's because Super Whisper. Super Whisper. Okay. Let's see. So currently we have. Yeah. Let's try again. Should work. Yeah. Alright, currently we have avatars with a nickname. We just made an update. We need to see the database for CSS. Create a local file. Sounds good. So now it's gonna use repo prompt to basically search the project and prepare a plan with all the relevant files in it. And then we can go do something else while we wait. Current here. So this is these are my issues that we need to do. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. We are just gonna look at these ones. These still need to be done. Users able to have. No, that's it for now. Let's just focus on this for now. Let's open the other app. So Super Marty. Yeah, usually my resolution is a little bit bigger. Let's do it like this. CD Super Marty repos ls cd web. All right, and then we can do this. It's gonna open up another one here. Where is it? Here. There you go. There you go. I don't really like this. Maybe like this. And then put this one like this. So we can switch like this. See? That's nice. Okay. Let's put this on Composer and this one as well. Let's see what we have here. Damn. Let's clear the current scope. Ah, this is a different project. Very funny. All right. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Let's go back. The next agent has complete instructions. So let's see what it did. So it selected 7 files that are relevant and it made this template. Create a local C data file containing real name and backstory. Alright, sounds good. Yep. Sounds good to me. Let's just do this with Cloud Code. So we're gonna use Cursor as well, but some things are better done with Cloud Code. And this is one of them, at least in my opinion. We're gonna clear the chat and then we're gonna paste this in. So by pressing copy prompt here, everything will get wrapped with instructions on to use repo prompt for the task at hand. All right, back to Super Marty. Let's get Super Marty running as well. Let's do that here. npm run dev. this one. Let's do the same trick. A little bit like this and a little bit like this. Ah, that's a shame. Well, let's just do it like this. Okay. So, I think we have some errors again here. Ah, okay, that's why. All right, let's see. That's good. That's when it's creating that. Right, okay. So I see a little issue here that we need to do. Let's do it like this. So users should see the feed regardless of alt state. Currently hides the feed items and does not load them. Should show them for everyone regardless of alt state. Constraints, I will leave it like this. Let's put a happy flow URL. User opens app, system loads feed items, screen shows feed items regardless of alt state. Yeah, we don't really need this. Then we're gonna make this into a functional requirements template for Super Mario. There you go. Looking good. Then we're gonna give it a title as well. Let's give it a nice title. Users able to see. Nice. I love it. All right. This one is ready. All right, we'll do that later. Let's go back. Still busy. Okay, that's good. All right. Let's see. What do we need to do? We need to create a new component here, but let's focus on right. So what we want to do for now is all right, this one. This is important. Preferences, allergies, conditions. So, okay. Confirm. Okay. Oh well. Confirm. Hey. Damn. Okay. So I'm thinking this is not really user friendly, right? Just showing pure text for these things. Um, mm, no, I'm gonna leave it for now. It's fine. I think the biggest win that we can do is make sure that these pages are being loaded correctly. And yeah, okay. Mm, it's being very slow. Okay, let's start simple. We want to show the vendor page, so this one. And I think we can use anti-gravity for this. Just to use anti-gravity. No, not just to use anti-gravity, but to use Gemini 3. Because I'm still kind of figuring out how this fits into my workflow, but we can try a little something. Let's go to Marty repos web web, and then we go here. We can close this one. And we go here. Currently, when we visit the vendor page, we get a 404. Look at our current components and show the available vendors here in the user side of the app. And then I'll give it this one. And let's also make a ticket for this for now. So let's just do make functional requirements again. Actually should have done this first. Funny. Okay. Oh. Shit. And this one is in progress then. Alright, alright. Okay. Doing its thing. Let's see how far Cloud Code is. I was having a pretty hard time. I see. We're still on 70% of context, so I hope it finishes soon. We can look at the changes that it has already. Here. All right, he came up with some pretty cool names. Alex Mirror, Richard Enforcement, Marcus, Danny Nightshade, Victoria Starlight, Celebrity Guest. It doesn't even exist. Ah, it's also taken all the non-active ones, I think. Or it might have hallucinated that one, but whatever. Alright. Well, it's going well. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what Gemini came up with. Oh, great. It's not even asking for permission, or is it? The user experiencing. Hmm. You know what? I'm not gonna do it with anti-gravity. It's just too unpredictable. We're just gonna do it with Cloud Code. That means we have to open another repo prompt. This one right there. Vertical. Let's do the little trick again so we can switch easily. Photo prank. Hey. Hey. That wasn't supposed to happen. Alright. Let's see. Put this one here. Alright. Let's close this one. And now we're gonna ask Mr. Super Marty, Claude, to do the ticket. In progress, this one. Now we copy the ticket and we're gonna say, hey, plan, this is a story. Plan out this story. So again, now it has all the instructions to search the project and prepare the workspace for the next agent. Because we are using multiple windows, I better put it here. So it immediately gets the right instructions on what to do. You'll see it's gonna select the window immediately. Please do it. Oh yeah. No, it didn't do it. Damn it. Something's wrong with the Cloud Code. Select the right window. Sir. Okay. Alright. Please review the C data file. Okay, let's review it. So this is pretty funny. The backstory is Let's just check one. Burglar. Hey, burglar. You changed some of the nicknames. Make sure they are identical to what they were before. Motherfucker. Okay. Super Whisper's having problems today. Try again. There you go. Okay. Let's just leave it there for now. This one is doing it. Alright, let's review. Can we close this as well, please? Close. I like to do my reviews in IntelliJ, to be honest, but not sure if my laptop is gonna appreciate that. Okay. The cleaning lady, the sparkle specialist, Rosa Sparkle, takes cleaning seriously, perhaps too seriously for some people's comfort, with her arsenal of cleaning supplies, rubber gloves. Jesus Christ. And the importance. Her clients have a love-hate relationship. Okay, they love coming to a spotless house. They hate the passive-aggressive. Okay, it's a pretty long backstory. Well, it's fine. It's just the first version. We're gonna write our own backstories, make it authentic. But for now, let's keep the AI crap. Move into plan mode. Alright. Okay. I might have to do this myself. Cheeky Burglar is what I know. What's the name? Cheeky Burglar. And the boss. What's the boss called? Let's see. The boss. Where's the boss? No, corporate boss, alright. Corporate boss. Corporate boss. Legal officer. Yeah. Doppelganger. Who the hell's the doppelganger? I think it added all the old ones. Oh, this is not good. Doppelganger, where the hell are you? Doppelganger. I think we just hallucinated that one. Damn it. Stop hallucinating. Legal officer, corporate boss, cheeky burglar, cable guy, cat lady, celebrity guest, charity collector, Chucky doll. Wait a minute. It didn't hallucinate it, I think, because we're only viewing the active ones. Right? Or not? Archived. Pending. Active. Okay. No. Never mind. You know what? I'm just gonna ask Composer. I do have to check if we have the MCP here. Let's see. Superbase main. Alright. We asked an agent to create real names and backstories for the following file, but the current names to its liking. So please make sure that all the names are the actual names that you currently see in the database. Use the Supabase MCP to fetch the correct data. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. We asked, all right. Let's make a plan first. Shall we do that? I really love this composer for small tasks because it's really fast. Look at him go. Okay. We're just gonna wait here. We can already say I did it. I did it myself. Proceed with the migration. We can put it there. Fix avatar names. All right. Sounds good. It's much faster. Okay, so this one is complete. We're just gonna copy the right one, yes, clear it, and then paste it in again. So now it's gonna work on, actually, damn it. Well, no, it did. Yeah, all right. What? No, it didn't. Damn it. We were too fast, guys. Perhaps I can resume. This one. Update the workspace. Okay. JSON files valid or sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Then we should be seeing backstories here. Is this actually true? 8, 12, 8. I think it's random. 0. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is actually true. Yeah, okay. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay. Let's do this. I've updated the file with some changes. Please proceed with the migration. I've updated the files with some edits. Please proceed with the migration. Oh my god, what the hell's going on? Okay. I made some changes. Now proceed with migration. God damn it. Okay. Proceed. What's it called again? Seed. proceed with the migration as laid out in initial issue. And then we can do it like this, initial request. Alright. Okay. Now this went well. Let's clear this. Okay. Now this one is gonna get to work. Actually, I don't want to do this with Cloud Code. Let's do this with Cursor as well, because I think it's gonna be faster. There's no need for a plan. We got a plan already. Let's see it move. All right. Nice. That's interesting. Why is it making this? Should have this already. This can go. Please assess whether you have used existing components, whether you failed to use existing components. So I'm going to ask it to assess whether it created new stuff unnecessarily. Okay. All right. Do it. Go ahead. Hello. Nice. Looking good. There's a couple things wrong though. Page should not contain header or subtitle, just the cards. And what else? I'm gonna use this one. Please fix. When I tap a card, I expect to navigate to a detail page of the vendor, but doesn't happen. Alright. Maybe it should make a plan for it now. Okay, whatever. So I'm still thinking. So for a photo prank, should. Let's see. Once we have that locally, what we want to do is set up the avatars in Context Builder. Once we have that, we're going to set up the image post flows in FreePic. And then plan all posts with late. Oh, that's crap. Didn't we have a detail page ready for the vendors already? And then I'm gonna add this prompt, JAQ. It's just a question, be skeptical and brutally honest. I'm not suggesting anything, because if I don't do that, it's probably gonna make the detail page if we don't have it, or improve it, whatever. Okay. Oh. No. Okay. Alright, this one also has access to repo prompt, right? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna ask it to plan a story in repo prompt. Currently, actually, let's make a ticket for this first. That's better. Let's go back here. Let's say, okay, raw end goal vendor page has metrics, vendor page has well put together. No, vendor page shows all available information regarding vendor and allows navigating, easy navigation to all entities. Currently only shows title, description, some other crap. Should see end goal, constraints. First make the components, ask for feedback. First identify all available information, confirm with user, then make the components, ask for feedback, Create a plan for implementation. I'm gonna leave the rest for what it is. Let's make this a functional requirement again. Make functional FE. Show only title. Yes, sir. Alright. Do we have a title? Sounds good. This one in progress. There you go. Let's see if this works though, because usually, I don't know, cursor's not that. When it listens well, it works well. When it doesn't, it sucks. Okay, well, I think it's working. While cursor's added, we are going to ask to review the current work. Review work. There you go. So what it's going to do now is I have a couple standards, and it's going to look at all the stage changes. It's going to determine, oh wait, maybe, wait, if we have this one, yeah, oh shit. We can get this one maybe. Right, okay. So I have a file, it's called current scope, and what I do is I put the initial ticket in here, and then I ask Cloud Code to review the work. So what it's going to do is it's going to look at the current scope and also look at the standards that we have, and then leave feedback comments in the code when the logic is not when it doesn't adhere to our standards, or when it kind of went off script based on the current scope. So, right. Let's go back here. I think this one is already done. Damn, it's so fast. Let's see. Fix the vendors page. Users can view. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. It's the same. Wiki wiki. Okay. Use the repo prompt MCP to update the prompt and relevant files. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Mm-hmm. What was I doing again? I was doing the code review. Right. Okay. Damn it. Yeah, apply the migration. Jesus. Okay, we can have a look at something else. So Freepik, I don't know if you guys know Freepik. They dropped this new thing called, I have no idea what it's called. But it basically allows you to maybe I need to make it bigger. Sure. Let me zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. Yeah. Zoom. No. Damn it. Not working. Spaces. I think it's spaces. Yeah, cool. New space. Alright. Okay, so I have a couple of ideas for content for the pranking app. I'm gonna let the crew handle the social media. So one of the things I want to do is I kind of need to create a character. So it's gonna take over the social media for a day and then just make pictures. So what do we need for that? What do we need for the account? Photo prank account takeover. We need the avatar bio plus backstory. We need the avatar image. I think one image is enough. Yeah. And then we need a prompt to create a random schedule of the avatar for that day, which then translates to, I don't know, 7 pictures, 7 images. Which is a mix of selfies and POV pictures. Yeah, that's it, I think. So if this is the text, right? So this would be the avatar bio, avatar context. This is the avatar context. And then we would have the avatar image. Let's take it. Let's start with let's start with this guy. I think we can find some nice images in Freepik. Behold my creations. Go down. No, damn it. Don't I have more? Oh, it's not all. It's not all, my man. Let's just go to image generation. You could probably find it here. Yeah, there you are. So let's see. Oh, cheeky burglar. Shall we start with the homeless man? Maybe that's more funny. Yeah. Okay, let's start with the homeless man. It's such funny. There he is. All right. Let's make this bigger. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot this. And where is the screenshot? I don't know. Where's the screenshot? Let's do it differently, like this. Damn it. There you are. Let's crop it a little bit. Okay. It can also be a little bit smaller. Let's make the width 1960. No, let's just keep it. Sorry, 1920. Okay. And I think we can paste it. Yeah. Okay. What else we need? A prompt to create. Okay, let's go to the other ones first because I think they're ready. Jesus, how long? It's so fucking slow lately. Should I process this feedback? Okay. So the agent for Super Marty gave some feedback. The implementation includes unrequested features. Ah, damn it. Okay. Remove the scope feedback. Ignore the scope feedback. I requested that later and proceed to fix the rest. Please, sir. Okay. I think the migration is done as well. If we now. Nice. Backstory. Danny Night Shift. What? Cool. Okay. We're gonna let that fix it. Fix the feedback. So what I also like to do is kind of pimp this component a little bit more to show the real name and maybe the biography. Maybe we can go to Aura. Go to cart. Actually, I know something else. I want to try something out. Fix these individually. Remove the scope violation comments. Okay, so what I was talking about is I made this yesterday. This is a playground. So any AI agent can create components for me here. All I have to do is say here what I want. I want to pimp the crew card to improve its UI UX. Use the front end design skill to come up with an improved design that also shows a part of the it shows a part of the backstory and the real name. Alright. One variant. Shall we do 3 variants? Let's see. Copy prompt. Then we go here. All acceptance criteria met. Okay. Let's clear this. Let's put it to work. And also let's remove this then. Hey. Okay. Commit. Okay. This one is also done. What the hell? Ah, damn it. I committed the wrong project. Happens. God damn it. Come on. Freaking annoying. Right. I accidentally made a commit. Please refer to the last one and put the changes back as staged. Ah, that was it. Soft. Alright, man. Thank you. Thank you very much. don't see any new changes to the page, and 2 vendors have disappeared. Did you do? I'm wondering. Ah, I was looking for this. I was looking if it used this skill. I'm curious to see because I saw a YouTube video that it creates really nice UIs. So who knows? What the hell? What the hell? This one looks pretty cool. It's a bit too much on the shadows, but okay, mobile. Marcus Steele. Alright. Yeah, I like number 3. It does need some. Okay. This one is also pretty cool, but well, it's a good skill. Alright. I like number 3. Remove 1 and 2. And put number 3 in the components page. Reduce the shadows a little bit. Remove the shadow animation from the button completely. What else? Ensure proper border radius, no, proper consistent border radius when animating. Shows 1 handler. Was 3 before your changes. Now shows exactly the same layout. Idiot. Okay, let's continue with this one as well. This was fun. Prompt to create a random schedule of the avatar. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll add an assistant here, and this assistant is gonna get after image. Well, hey. After image, sorry, after context. Let's get the background information of the homeless man. Damn it, I cannot manage it yet. It's a good ticket, by the way. Okay. Also, I don't know if I really like this one. It's a bit too bright. We'll fix that later. Let's do this. Then we'll attach this, and we'll attach this one, and then we'll have avatar image. Okay, cool. Create a act as act as a fictive. That's not a word. Fictive. Fictional. Thank you. Act as a fictional day planner for avatar context. For avatar, and then damn, what was that? Okay, that's not gonna work. Avatar, avatar act as a fictional day planner for avatar. Create 7 prompts where the avatar is has been given access to the social media account for the pranking app that avatar works for. You are to create 7 prompts, 7 chronological, 7 prompts that show the avatar's activities for that day in chronological order. Your output message will be read by several agents, all who all will focus on their read by 7 agents who all will focus on their own prompt respectively. The idea is that why the hell is this gaming? It's not gaming, education, I guess. Sorry, I need to change something. Yeah, alright. Act as a fictional day planner for Avatar. The Avatar has been given access to the social media account for the pranking app that Avatar works for. To give you some context, the Avatar is a character that people can select in a photo pranking app. You are to create the social media account for that app is run by the fictional avatars. You are to create 7 prompts that show the avatar's activities in chronological order, where the current the current avatar is asked to take over the account for a single day. You are to create 7 prompts that show the avatar's activities for that day in chronological order. Your output message will be read by 7 agents. Focus on creating the image based off their own prompt number respectively. Let's see if this works. Then it goes to let's just run it. Let's see what comes out of here. Let's see. Early morning on a chair, water doll. No, this is not good. So, to be clear, very important, you are to create avatars. No, you are to create prompts that display the image as if the avatar has taken the image with its own phone. Make a variety of selfies and POV images. You heard? Okay, maybe this works. Early morning selfie of a Rocket Man. Oh, okay. Also, all fronts should reference add after context and after image, as each agent will have this as context as well. Okay, let's just connect one agent. So this will go to an assistant. The assistant will create the your prompt number is 1, your prompt number, create the prompt, create the image for create the image create the image based on analyze the prompt your prompt, the image that you must make is identified by your prompt number, analyze the prompt, take into account after context and after image, the image that you must make is identified by the prompt with prompt number from the message you got from, actually let's call this the prompt orchestrator. Prompt orchestrator. Okay, let's run it. Let's run it. Oh damn, it's no longer free. Damn it. It was free yesterday, but not anymore. Let's see. Okay, morning selfie of a middle-aged man with a thick oh. We might even be able to skip this step, I think. Because if we just put the image generator here, and then let's use the normal one. Let's make it this one. Okay, yeah. This one can go. Bye. All we have to do is this. 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 And this. And then this. Okay. Alright. Let's try again. Hey, now it's unlimited again. It's still unlimited. That's good. That's good news. That's good news. Let's see. Navigate to the crew. What else? The urban survivor. Okay. This looks kind of ugly, to be honest. Damn it. Yeah, this is also still. Alright, yeah. YouTube page still shows the same stuff. Use Playwright to debug yourself. I do see the 3 vendors again. Let's have it make a plan first. Use the front end. Oh, damn it. Use the front end design scale to make it align more with our current colors and spacings. Also make sure that the backstory is always a maximum of 3 lines so that each card has the same height. Alright. Nice. Nice. Alright. Let's okay. Number your prompts. Well, very important. Otherwise, no, that's not. Okay. Okay, we can save this one. I kind of like this one. Actually, I can export it later. That's fine. Okay, we can duplicate this, and then hello. Here. So this will be prompt number 2, and no, duplicate. Let's put it like this. That's prompt number 3. Done. Prompt number 4, 5, 6. All right, let's see. This is cool. This is number 2. This will be number 3. This will be number 4. This will be number 5. 5. This will be number 6. And this will be number 7. Hello. Okay. Run. Yeah. Interesting. Should we just run it? Cool. let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Let's do it like, I don't think it's doing it well. Create the first prompt. Okay. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. All right. Give each prompt a chronological number prefixed with a hashtag. Make sure each prompt is displaying a unique activity and displays and the overall story progresses throughout the hours of the day. Also give each prompt a different angle and make sure quality of the images are that of a cheap iPhone. All right. I'm gonna call it a day after this one because I need to get in some serious work for a different project. And I need to focus for that. Okay, one more time. Remember, this avatar is working for a pranking app, so all the activities should be around its character breaking into people's houses, and pulling pranks inside their house. Oh yeah, also them. Let's see. This one, the page does not work correctly. I doubt it, but Jesus. Bullshit. Okay, whatever. Of course. It's a bit better, but it's still a bit overwhelming, I think. Darken the buttons. Make the chip smaller. This is funny. Yeah. This is pretty cool. I know we can make groups, right? Let's see if that works. Yeah. Alright, arrange, cool. Arrange. Okay, group. Pranks. Daily prank report. that's funny. Okay. Then we can also make this a group maybe. No, damn it. We can duplicate it, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's try one more thing. Perhaps we can this one. What I also, oh damn, it's no longer chronologically put together. Okay, whatever. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay. Let's export. Yes. Try this one more time. Yeah, I was afraid it would do that. But it's pretty cool. Nonetheless. very funny. Okay. I don't get it. Okay. You know what? Let's just do it like this. Let's crop it. Like this. Crop. Oh shit. Ah damn. This shit. So annoying this. Let's just do it like this. Ah damn. First prompt should always portray the avatar greeting the followers. And waving. Selfie. The last prompt should always be, okay, the first prompt should always be the avatar introducing the social takeover. Refresh. Oh man, it's funny. Okay, okay. One more thing I wanted to do is reorder this stuff. But I can't somehow arrange. It's kind of random. Okay. first, fourth, sixth, third, second, fifth, seventh. Okay. Then we can see the chronological order of things. Same here. So this will be the first one, the second one. This one is the fourth one. This one is the seventh one. This one is the third one. This one is the fifth one. This one is the sixth one. Okay. Oh, I could actually see it here as well. All right. Let's see. I wondered, yeah, this is pretty good as well. But, export. I can use this definitely, but I think it could be better, right? So, I wonder if we make a text here, if it can output the text. No. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Let's do it one more time. I think we have enough of this guy. I wonder if we can also give it a video. Shit. Shouldn't have done that. Damn it. Now everything's broken. Thanks for the warning. Okay, I broke that one. Whatever. Alright, guys and gals, thank you for watching. I'm gonna end it right here. See you next time. Beep you. How do I end it? End stream, please.